There he is. We got him. Ah, nice, beautiful little rainbow. I know what you've all been thinking. How much money do I really need to spend to get a decent fishing setup? Well, today we're going to show you. Wally World time. Think I'd get in trouble if I would take a leak in Walmart? Okay. Good pair of forceps. You can never forget your choice of salmon eggs. Joust. Well, how'd we make out? Keep in mind, we wanted to keep this a $50 limit. For a decent setup, it's going to last you a little bit. Is going to be your bottom price. So, let's see where we ended up. First thing we have on here is we have the Shimano fishing combo. That was 29 bucks. That was the most expensive item. Second most expensive item was that P line, which is necessary for finicky trout, is that you want that fluorocarbon. All right, so our grand total pre-tax was $50.90. So we went over to by 90 cents, and I'll be honest with you, this piece right here, the manicure set, don't laugh. You're actually going to be using that for the fingernail clippers that are in it. And honestly, who doesn't have an extra set of fingernail clippers laying around? So take that out, and we came under $50. If you live in a horrible state like Pennsylvania that charges you sales tax, you got that on top there, but that's unavoidable. So right now we're looking at, we have a trout fishing setup that is $50. And I think we're gonna go test it out. So guys, there we have it. $50 setup to get you into trout fishing. Now you can play around with this a little bit. Like, I personally am not a fan of gold colored hooks for personal reasons. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, usually if the fish are gonna be finicky, they don't like that. You want a dark, just a matte black or bronze colored hook. You don't want them to be able to see the hook. You want them to see your bait. Now, another step that is optional with this is to run a swivel underneath of your float. What you may find if you don't do this is that you may get line twist and it could loop up. Like I said, I also recommend getting that wheel of weights because these are a little bit big, but they will work perfectly fine for most situations. And if you can pull it, like I said, I wanted to keep this under $50. That's a pretty obtainable goal to get a very good setup. Now, you're going to find, like Walmart or places, when spring comes around and trout season is in full effect, you're going to find complete kits and combos for like 20 bucks. They're not going to last more than a few months. They're horrible. Been there, done that, and you're just going to end up buying a whole nother kit again. This setup here should be good for a few years. It's a halfway decent quality reel and a halfway decent rod. But anyway, guys, I'm going to shut up now. We're going to see you on the water, and let's see if we can get a fish. Guys, welcome back. We are we're gonna head up Kish Creek a little bit here, and this is going to be a continuation of the $50 thing from Walmart that we put together to get into trout fishing. And I hope y'all enjoy it, so stay tuned. We're gonna hit the water here, and it looks pretty low and clear, but I think we'll still do good. All right, here we go, guys. Let's see what we got. All right, guys, so we're out here. We have this nice budget spinning setup that we're going to be setting up for trout. We already have our little hook on here. We got our float. Now we need to adjust our depth. So this is pretty deep right here. I just saw a fish swim off. We're probably looking at maybe 5-6 feet deep. So we're going to set this float way up there. And with that, we're gonna have to add another weight. You'll have to forgive me because I forgot the weights that I demonstrated in the video, but the same principle applies, and I do have very similar weights. These right here are the ones that I'd recommend to get. I'll link to them. So we need to get some weight up near our float to make sure it stays in the water. Right, anyway. Get that pinched on. Hands aren't wanting to work. Come on. That one's pinched on. We'll do one more for good measure here. In between this. And that one's pinched on. Our bait, right? Maybe one of our most important things. So what else is going to attract the fish? Sure ain't going to be this mug. All right, so we got our little hook. And we're going to put one up on and two, just like that. I'm going to cover the whole hook. Let's go to first cast. All right, so we're going to toss it right at the beginning of that pull. You can hold your line like this however you want. We're tapping bottom there, so we're going to move our float down the line towards our hook more. I might have overshot the depth here. So we're just going to move everything down about a foot. There we go. Just going to cast it right in there, pick up our slack. Now we wait. And keep as much slack off that as you can. See, we got a lot of weight on there for that float, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. So these are going to be the hooks that I recommend. They're Daiichi 1150s. As compared to those Eagle Claw hooks, I mean, they were garbage. These are much better. Much better. Not even like on the same planet. So these are a little bit more expensive. Those Eagle Claws were, I don't know, probably about 99 cents a dollar maybe. These were $4.99, but they are again way better if you can pull it. If not, the Eagle Claws will work. I just broke off and I forgot to pack up in the truck, so use those fingernail clippers that you got, clip that as short as you can. There, we got a fish right there. Look at that. It's about time. Whew. Nice rainbow. Nice. Look at that, guys. We threw on a pink egg sac just for giggles, but right there. I was caught on this setup. Catch you later, buddy. The skunk's off us now, so that might be good. Should make things good. Oh, there we got it. Nice. Haven't caught a fall fish in a while. Looky there, guys. How to catch a fall fish 101. Maybe there was something in there chomping on it. Catch you later, bud. Let him go. All right. I can't remember the last time I actually caught a fall fish. That was neat. So guys, if you're looking to catch fall fish, this is the setup. Creek chubs, etc., etc. just saw a fish swing from my wig sack. There he is. Got him. What do you got? Nice rainbow. Whoop. Gotcha. Look at that. Thought you were slick. Barely hooked. Just barely hooked. Alright, catch you later, bud. There we go. So hopefully we can turn the day around here. Been pretty slow. See what happens. Switch over to some single legs here. So that's what this challenge is all about. Gotta remember that. Alright guys, here we go. Got the single legs on. Got everything that we got from Walmart on that right now. So let's see what we can make happen. Alright guys, so our big issue here are these hooks. They do not hold those single legs very well at all. So in order to catch a fish, I had to use an egg sac. You can't keep the bait on the hook. It's also getting cold. Ah, he was on there, we lost him. There we go. Look at that take. Oh yeah. Ah, beautiful. Oh wow, what a beautiful wild fish. Look at him. Take a look. Look at that, guys. Beautiful Pennsylvania wild brown. And he's off. Whew. Okay. Nice. Okay. Thanks, Zach. Ah, missed it. Wasn't even paying attention. This is gonna be the place right here, guys, that we finally catch fish with that set. There's like a freaking Rapala jerkbait up there, a tree. All right, here we go. Redemption, please. There he is. We got him. Ah, nice, beautiful little rainbow. There we go. Guys, we did it. We got him. Lively one at that. See? The Walmart special works. Alright guys, get this guy back in the water. But there's the results. $50, perfectly good starter setup for trout. Alright, catch you later, buddy. Alright, see if we can do it again before we switch over to egg sacs and just start slaying them. That's what I'm saying. Whew, okay. That got me a little pumped up. All right, now that I have the GoPro flipped up the right way, that was an oopsie. Oh, that hurt. Oh, me running, walking for that matter. Cleats are nice. They're on rocks. Tends to slip. Man, landed right on my wrist. Show must go on, right? Oh. Bust my ass. That's enough of that drift. Look, it's the rock that I busted my ass on. The ends of runs like this, perfect spot for fish. Water's a little bit quick, but it's perfectly fine. Just keep trying different depths of your drift, the distance, the areas that you drift through. Don't be afraid to change it up. Eggs aren't working. Never a bad idea to have some worms on you. Some small jigs, wax worms. Heck, even different colored styled eggs. Like that was a fish right there, if you saw that take. Sometimes you just gotta know when to give up. Harsh reality is sometimes this fish only give you one shot. I think we'll call it there. So I decided to try to take one more cast, and there it sits in that tree. That'd be it. Guys, so there you have it. That combo actually pretty decent, and it could be yours. So just tell me why you want it, why you need it, and if I like your comment, I'll send it to you. As for the giveaway, the 100 subscriber giveaway, we're gonna do a thing where I give away the 3 nice sack shirts, and in order to get those, you're gonna need to first off comment on this video, and then second, I'm gonna need you to go give me a follow over on Instagram. Put that link down below. So once you're followed over there on Instagram, commented on this video, I'll do another video where I assign your comment a number, and then I'll do the random number generator again, and I'll pick three people for the t-shirts, and I'll throw in some little goodies with that fishing rod too. Just let me know why you need it, why you want it, and I'd like to make somebody's Christmas if I could that way. So thank you all for watching, everybody. I'm not feeling the best. My back hurts really bad, and so does my wrist. I'm gonna take a pain pill. Probably pass out for the rest of the day. Catch you in the next one.